can life truly endure such overwhelming, constant peril?
In the harshest environments, resilience defines existence.
This is Antarctica, where every breath is a battle.
And every day, a testament to relentless will. Here, only the most determined survive.
Welcome to the frozen continent, a land of extremes.
I'm Dr. Eris Thorne. For decades, I've studied the creatures that call this place home. Among them, the Adelie penguins stand out.
Their journey here is epic, a pilgrimage driven by primal instinct. They navigate treacherous waters, dodging predators, battling storms. Every stroke, every leap, a testament to their incredible endurance. The land promises a brief respite, but new challenges await. This is their breeding ground, a temporary home forged from necessity.
Their survival hinges on cooperation and unwavering dedication.
Love, too, finds a way, even in this harsh dominion. Nests are constructed with care, each pebble a precious commodity. Yet, competition for resources can quickly ignite conflict.
The female prepares for the most vital contribution, her offspring.
A delicate promise, an entire future encased within a fragile shell.
The female guards her first precious egg with unwavering vigilance.
Soon, a second egg joins the first, doubling the hope. Incubation begins. For weeks, they will share this vital duty.
The incubation period is fraught with peril, a test of patience and resilience.
Weather here is fickle, unforgiving, often a deadly enemy. Blizzards rage, testing the limits of their endurance. The male returns from a foraging trip, braving the elements. Finding his mate amidst the chaos and storm is a Herculean task. Reunion, a brief, vital moment of connection.
The exchange of duties is precise, swift, minimizing egg exposure.
He assumes his position, a vigilant guardian of their future.
Return to hunt. The cycle of parental sacrifice continues. Days turn into weeks, each moment a test of unwavering commitment. Then, a sign of hope, a tiny tremor from within. The parent detects the first delicate stirrings of new life.
Here in the stunningly clear air of the Antarctic Peninsula, we find the largest known colony of Adelie penguins. These tracks belong to the Adelie penguin, a species uniquely adapted to this harsh environment. They provide crucial data on migration patterns. Few places on Earth remain as untouched as the Antarctic. It's a privilege to be here, studying the resilience of life at the very edge of the world.
Here we see the Adelie penguin, parent that diligently cares for its young, a timeless ritual on the ice.
Life in Antarctica is harsh. This small Adelie chick, barely weeks old, is already battling winds that
The Adelie penguins thrive here, despite the harsh conditions. This colony alone numbers in the thousands. The immediate challenge we face is tracking the emperor penguin migration across this vast, unforgiving landscape. As you can see, the Adelie penguins navigate this terrain with surprising speed. They are heading towards the open water before the storm hits. Hidden beneath the vast frozen expanse is a unique underwater ecosystem, a delicate balance of life adapted to the extreme cold.
The ice shelf is receding faster than we predicted. If this continues, the impact on the global climate will be catastrophic.
The challenges facing the young here are immense. With the ice receding faster every year, their future is uncertain.
The Adelie penguins you see here are perfectly suited to this brutal, windswept coastline. They truly are the masters of the ice. Antarctica holds 80% of the world's ice. And yet, despite the harsh winds, life finds a way to thrive even in this frozen expanse.